Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a simple tiger emoji. I'm going to be doing this in a more sketchy style. So I'm just going to draw this kind of roughly. So couple pupils, highlight on the upper right and the lower left. Let's go ahead and darken this real quick. So we're going to have a lot of loose lines here. I'm using this thinner Sharpie kind of as a base, like starting with a pencil and then following it up with ink. But I'm just going to use the marker from the get-go. So right here in the front then will be a V-shaped nose, just like that. And kind of draw in the nostrils right here. Alright, so then the separation here above the lip goes out on either side and curve up where the whiskers are gonna be. And usually you'll see these kind of like lines that kind of point towards the middle, and these are actually where the whiskers come off. So they're kind of actually dots. Okay, and I'm adding some shading as I'm going ahead and doing this. So let's draw the bottom of the jaw, and let's just give it some, let's just make this a little bit jagged to show that it's hair, and maybe a couple lines. Okay, so now let's draw the top of his head. It would be up here, and again I am just using zigzag lines to show that there's hair up here. Maybe go up a little bit higher. Going across, and the bottom of his, the side of his face then will be over here. Again, jaggedy. And then let's draw the ear. So from here, let's just draw a half oval, and same here. And draw the leading edge of it. Just a parallel line, although it's a little bit thicker at the front. Add some extra lines for the hair, because the hair is going this way. Let's draw the top of the snout area. Maybe shade this a little bit here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start outlining. Make the outline kind of thick. Really set this off, and this is where I'm going to make it a little bit more even. More deliberate with my lines now. And clean. And this is going to put this mess that I made further in the background. Okay, so my jagged edges are a little less jaggedy. A little bit bolder. And the bottom. I'll go ahead and outline the eye a little bit neater. And the side. The sides right here, and maybe outline the nose a little bit more. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is go ahead and add some stripes. So usually there are these stripes that go horizontally but kind of dip down towards the middle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start putting that in. Notice how it dips in the middle, and it thins out as we go to the side. Again, here. Let's start at the middle this time. Start going out, and it gets thinner. And another short stripe up there. Now there's also stripes that kind of wrap around the eye. So let's do that. One here. Notice it's just wrapping around the eye. And then now we have these stripes that basically parallel the side of the face. And maybe another one here. And right there. Let's add a couple more stripes, short stripes up here. And that should pretty much do it. Just kind of like a rough sketch of a tiger. Thanks a lot for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.